Hello there, I'm Molly, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer data from your UPAS onto an iOS device. A few things before we get started. You need to make sure that your sample runs have already been completed and that they are stored on the SD card. So after you've programmed your app and started the UPAS, the data should now be stored on the internal SD card of the UPAS. I'm now going to turn the UPAS on. And the UPAS will now go through its startup sequence of lights, and in the meantime, while that is processing and verifying GPS, I'm going to open the UPAS app on my iOS device. Now, before trying to connect to my UPAS, I want to verify that this is a solid pink light, which it is. That means that the UPAS is ready to be connected to the app. So to connect, I'm going to go up here to this top bar. It's going to take me to a new window where I can press this button up here to scan for available devices. And right here is the UPAS that comes up, and it is going to try to connect after I select it. Now, as you can see at the top, it says that the app is connected to PS0594, which matches the serial number on the UPAS that I'm trying to download data from. Once it's successfully connected, the UPAS light will show blue. And now I'm ready to download the data from the SD card on the UPAS to the iOS device. So I'm going to select this bottommost field that says download log files from the app. And it's going to take me to this other window where I'm again going to have to select download to initiate the transfer of the data. Once I select this button, the UPAS will momentarily show an orange light signifying that the files are downloading, and then it will go back to blue, which means that the download is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. As you can see, this red bar also indicates it was downloading, and now it is complete, as well as the UPAS is showing a solid blue LED. Now the files that were on the SD card are transferred onto your iOS device, and they can now be transferred to a computer, which we will show you in later videos in order to access them.